Hello, welcome to Ready for Kindergarten. My name is Miss Tami. I'm a librarian for the County Library at the Whitmore branch, and I am so glad you are here today. Today I have two stories for you about winter and bears. They're both pretty short, and that's why I decided to read two to you. Our first book is called My Big Bear, My Little Bear, and Me. It was originally written in Spanish, and it was published in 2019. My Big Bear, My Little Bear, and Me. Here we go. It's good to have a bear, but I have two, and that's better. I take them with me everywhere. Do you see the two bears? One little, one big. I think they're going to go out and play in the snow. The big one is as strong as a giant and lets me see the world from up high. The little one is soft like cotton and brings me close to the tiny things. I think they might be making a snowman. What do you think? Yeah, and I see a fox back there as well. And a little bug on the little bear's nose. The big one protects me from the cold. It's like a big bear hug. He always shows me surprising things. Some fish. The little one helps me to make friends. Oh, look, she's making friends with the fox. Oh, loads of friends. Look, there's birds, and a mouse, and a squirrel, and a deer, and an owl, and a bug, and some rabbits. Lots of winter animals. My bears never leave me when things get rough. She looks happy on that sled, huh? When I'm very tired, they encourage me to carry on. Very tired. If you have a big bear and a little bear, you'll never lose your way. I know that my little bear needs me. I think it's starting to snow. And sometimes my big bear needs me too. Uh-oh, something was dropped. It's good to have a bear, but I have two, and that's much better. Is the big bear really a bear? Oh, it looks like it's her grown-up. I thought it was a bear, did you? The end. My big bear, my little bear, and me. Yay! All right, are you ready for book 2? This one is about a bear in the snow and winter as well. It is called Bear is Awake, and it is an alphabet story. Sometimes ABC books are kind of long, or maybe not even a story. But this one is perfect. Excuse me. Bear is awake. Bear is awake. A, awake. B, big bear. C, cozy cabin. I like how this ABC book actually tells a story. D, doorbell. E, enter excited. Look, the little girl says, eek! I think the bear scared her. F, food. Yum, 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 yum. I think the bear's hungry. G, grumpy. Like the girl is grumpy because the bear ate all her food. H, hat. Oh, they both have on a hat. I, intrigued. Idea. When you're intrigued, you're very interested. very interested to know what the idea is. J, jumpy. Ah, that would startle me if a bear jumped on my car. K, kids. Kaput. Ah, look. The snowman's head fell off. Kaput. L, library. Shall a bear come to the library with us? And another L. L, listen, learn. Oh, look, she's reading a book called All About Bears. M, market. Maybe they had to go buy more food at the market. N, naughty. Look at all that food. No, 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 no. Nice. Now he's sitting nice in the cart. Oh, oblivious officer. Outlandish outfit. Oblivious means you didn't notice something or not paying attention. Not paying attention to the funny bear. P, pancakes. I think they went back home again. Have some pancakes. Q, quiet. R, return. Think the bear needs to go back home? S, snow. Soak, stream, silly. Sulk. It's kind of like when you pout. I do not think the bear wants to go back home again. Tree, ticklish, trail, teeth. She's trying to get the bear to go home. He does not want to go home. Uncertain. V, valley. W, woods. Wistful. X for kisses. Look, there's the bear's cave. Get some kisses. Y, yawn. Z, I think he went back to bed. You know that bears hibernate or sleep all winter. So he needs to go back to bed. The end. Good job. This one was called Bear is Awake.